What's going on, YouTube? Q back here again with another video for you. Today's video, I'm about to go to another Subaru dealership, physically going there this time and ordering my WRX. So if you haven't seen the last video that I had on the WRX, I placed an order, but then I got a call later on saying that the order didn't go through because they were in between 22 and 23 model years. But this dealership that I'm about to head to, they said that's not so. So gassing up the ZL1 right now, about to head there. So come with me today, and I'm about to take you on an adventure of what's about to happen. So hopefully I can get one order, because he said he could place orders today. So as soon as I found out, got off work, and I'm heading there. Once I finish filling up, I'm about to head out. So before you leave, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse the channel. Let's jump into it. $71.86, 4.69 a gallon. I was pretty much on dead eat. All these little copyright heathens and drove away now, playing all their copyright infringement music. But yeah, I'm headed to the dealership now. So I rode in the Hyundai Elantra. I rode in a Hyundai Elantra N last night, and that is a hell of a car. Like I put that on my list too, but this WRX goes through, and that's what I'm getting. But that Hyundai, that should be strongly considered, because it was real fun. It's got pops, ton of customization for the driving, like the sport mode and all that stuff, touring mode, steering, a whole lot of customization. And this is a nice package too. And that brace that's in the back from the trunk pass through, that can be taken off. But this is about a WRX. Let's get to that, because if I don't get this, then I'm back in the market for real. And I did price out some other cars too. The Hondas locally, Honda Civic SIs, all gone. The Acura, no markup on those.
The baddest car.
Thank you. This car gets a lot of attention. But yeah, the Civic SI, no allocations at the dealerships nearby. And you can't use a Honda discount at the moment. They removed the program, so I'm out of that. And Acura Integra, same car. That one, the dealership, it's a dealership local to me, but I don't like them, so I'll never buy a car from them. But the one that's in Ann Arbor, they say they get 2 per month. So I'm like, all right, I'll be on the lookout for those. But if I were to order one, guess how long it would take? They said if I ordered today, I would get the car in December next year. Don't got time for that, so getting this WRX before the dealership closes today. Hopefully it's good news. If not, I just wasted time talking to you all and coming to this gas station. But let's go. Made it here to Seller Subaru. Construction was crazy. I missed one turn over there, and it took me like 10 minutes out the way to make a U-turn, or a Michigan U-turn. So I had to go down for a mile and turn around and go past here again and then come back, which took like 10 minutes. But I'm here, so let me get in here and get to talking. Not sure if they're cool with cameras and whatnot, so let me announce myself and come back. We got to like it. It's okay. Now's your chance. Smash it. So this is a very honest dealership. I like them already upon the moment I walked in here. So they're very transparent with the pricing, and we're in there. They give me another price because the first Subaru dealership I called was in Chicago, and I believe their sales tax is 9%. So I'm looking at the bottom line, like that doesn't match my quote that I got here in Michigan. So he's gonna run the numbers again, and if those numbers come back good, then I will put an order in. But yeah, it's they gave me access to one right here. So we have one that could be Q's car, but this is already sold. I'm just looking at it, so let me get an idea. So $35,000. This one has body side molding, ceramic coated. Pay for that? Yeah. Floor mats. It's white. obviously white, but I'm looking at this bumper. I'm thinking and looking at the bumper to see if it's overblown. Wow, look at these ridges. That's for aerodynamics. The plastic doesn't look that bad. I know it's like the thing that's overblown that people, like the Camaro, they say the visibility. It actually looks nice in person. I would do some things to it, but that remains to be seen. The hood is scoop. I like white too. Like, even though my cars are generally bright colors, I like white a lot too. Like, I prefer whites over blacks and silvers. Oh my God, don't take that the wrong way. Wow, look at this. That's terrible. So I'm in this Too Short's favorite word. Feels as it should. Just imagining myself, oh my God, there's no clutch pedal, my foot just slammed to the floor. You know you got the base model win. I need my buttons to have stuff on it. But this is probably for like all the safety and driving features, which the manual doesn't have. And you know I'm getting the manual. Boy, ain't no way, boy. Boy, ain't no way I get one of these without a manual. You crazy? You crazy? Yeah, it's got a giant screen like a tablet. People complain about that. That doesn't bother me. It's technology's advanced, styles change. It's not bad. It's another thing people just like to nitpick and complain about. No complaints here. Let me see what this back seat is like, because this is where the, oh dang, this is very spacious back here. So I got a bunch of room between me and the front seat, and this giant gaping hole that you can't put anything in. USB ports, bottle holders. Man, this is a little bit more practical than the Camaro. It's big in here, man. Let me see if I can pop the trunk on y'all. Not going to be test driving this because this car is spoken for, and I'm pretty sure they don't want anybody driving their car. I don't think oh, there we go. Didn't think I could pop the trunk. Oops. That thing had a big delay. I pressed it like 4 times, and then it didn't register until a little whiles later, and it opened like 4 times. Yeah, take a look. WRX floor mats back here. Do the seats fold down? They gotta fold down. Big trunk. Tailgate on. This is nice, man. I like that. And that was easy to close with one finger. Almost slammed it. Quad exhaust. I'll probably get that changed. Have MRT whip up me something else. They make STI exhaust, and I'll be the guinea pig again, most likely. And let's pop the hood. So I haven't seen one of these up close. Not sure if I've seen any in passing either. Oh, we got struts up in here. What? Intercooler, engine stuff. Looks way different from my V8. Got the boxer engine. This makes like 271 horsepower, 268 or something pound-feet of torque. I've been studying these things a lot. This one makes 3 more horsepower than the previous one, but the torque is a lot more torquey, and the power band revs at like 6,000 RPM. It has way more torque than the one before, so it's more usable power, more enjoyable to drive one of these. And the boost, so it has a bigger displacement. This is a 2.4 liter flat 4 turbocharged. The other one was 2.0, so it's less boost. So if I want to mod, I can boost it more and get more power from it. And this is more refined. They made it more comfortable, so they didn't do a hatch here. They have a wagon in other countries, but that's what we have here. So let's not harp on this too long. Let me get a thumbnail and go back inside so we can see what that number is, so I can say yay or nay. Maybe I'm not at the right angle. It doesn't look that bad, man. I think it's overblown. The rear does look different, but I wouldn't call it bad looking. It's just different. But this thing, from what I read in the reviews, or heard and read in reviews, it's engaging to drive. The shifter is good, steering is good. And that's all I really need. I want to be able to enjoy my manual, so let me go inside now.
I'm Anthony from Sellers Subaru here, selling our WRXs at MSRP. Give me a shout if you got any questions, and I'll have my card and go from there.
All right, he's been phenomenal today. Helped me get the order through. You can still order a 22. That was a lie. So if anybody said you can't order a 22, it's false. I got the paper right here. Won't put my information in this video like I did last time on accident. But here's Anthony's card. I'll let you all take a look at that. Hit them up, get your orders in. Phenomenal sales service. So I'm all wrapped up in here. The whole process took like maybe 10-15 minutes. So the car will be here. I got an ETA on the date, and the date is late November, early December maybe. Could be sooner, could be longer, but that's the ETA. So got my car ordered, got a confirmation number. I gotta get my deposit back from the last guy. So yeah. Don't know what's up with that. So you can't order 22. I ordered the 22 MSRP. I had to include a package. That's how they do things here. They losing money. So I got a package that I would have gotten anyway. So I got the wheel and tire package that I have on my Camaro, but I got it at this dealership. So I'm excited. Now I can sleep. I can get these mods in my head, what I want to do, what direction I want to take the car. So thank you all for following along this process. And yeah, I got to let these, I've been informing the dealerships too. So I guess the guy that had the closest dealership by my house, he was right about them not having an allocation. So 23s are not able to be ordered yet. And he was really transparent. So he showed me on the computer as he ordered it. It shows him the date that it would be here the whole time. So they can tell you pricing. It's very transparent with Subaru. They allow you to show the whole pricing because it's just MSRP. And then that option I got, that I would have got anyway. So that's cool. So no other discounts. Maybe there's a rebate at the time, I don't know, but that's it. Got the car ordered. Now we wait. So definitely excited. And it comes right in time because November is normally when I get the snow tires put on. Sometimes October, but November, even December. Shout out to Sellers Subaru. I am in Macomb, Michigan. I think I'm in Macomb. I'm way up here, 21 miles. Now I got to go back home. So I'm going to leave you all with that. Got the WRX, and I hope you enjoyed the tour of the other WRX over there. That customer got the CVT. Manuals aren't for everybody. It's like an 85% take rate according to my sources on there. And Small World too, he was on the Topher's channel. He had a modified STI a while ago, and they had an Evo together years back. So Small World with that. So I am going to check out that video. And yeah, so no Veloster in for me. Got the order in for this. I'm not looking at any more cars. For me personally, I don't even go on Auto Trader because I know if I start looking at stuff, I'll find a way to get them, and that's when I start selling stuff. So I don't go on Auto Trader. So it's gonna be a while before I get back on there. But yeah, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse the channel, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace out.